Kissy, ganda, I appreciate that you agreed to undergo judicial dispute resolution process. Kissy, you may now tell us your position.
Wait, I should be the one to tell my story first. Ladies first.
Ganda. Earlier, we already agreed to the procedure. I asked Kissy to start off because he's the plaintiff in this case, the one who filed the complaint.
Well, okay.
Thank you, Judge. As you know, I am the owner of KSL Building, the imposing four-story commercial building adjacent to City Hall, with spaces rented out to various lessees. I am a very shrewd and respectable businessman. I screen my tenants very carefully. So I was actually deceived by this woman. She signed a 3-year lease contract with us after representing that she owns a chain of beauty parlors, which are, according to her, patronized by socialites, known women, and actresses. But now she refuses to pay rent.
I did not deceive him. It is true, Judge, that I have popular movie star clients who are also my intimate friends and even wives and daughters of famous people and politicians.
Ganda, you will have your turn in speaking.
Yes, Judge.
All right, Kissy. You mean to say that you felt disappointed that after carefully assessing the background of Ganda, her business, she paid to pay her rentals on time.
That is correct, Judge. In fact, I was even hopeful that I will accidentally meet my favorite actress, Pia Locsin, when I visit my building.
You may continue, Kissy.
Well, Judge, I leased to Ganda the best portion of the ground floor, consisting of 250 square meters for 25,000 pesos a month. But she stopped paying me after 1 year and 3 months. I have sent her lots of demands, oral and written through my lawyer. But Ganda did not pay a single centavo. And to think that I am the son of the mayor, such disrespect, such temerity.
Why should I pay you? Your place leaks and stinks. You should be the one to pay me for damages because I lost so many customers.
Kissy, Ganda, let us keep our cool. Nothing can be solved if you're going to quarrel. Kissy, are you really the son of the mayor? Then are you related to the Matalinos?
Yes, I am the son of the mayor. And the Matalinos are actually my maternal relatives.
Judge, what is the relevance of your inquiry?
Why, Ganda? Are you questioning my intention?
No, Judge.
Going back to your narration, Kissy, are you done?
Judge, all I want is for Ganda should pay her arrears in rentals and vacate the premises. She should also pay interest on the uncollected rentals she still owes me.
Kissy, let me now summarize your story. Please correct me if necessary. You are a savvy businessman who owns a 4-floor commercial building where Ganda leases a 250 square meter portion located at the ground floor for a monthly rental of 25,000 pesos. The contract is for 3 years. After 1 year and 3 months, Ganda failed to pay her rentals up to the present time, despite your repeated oral and written demands. Because of that, Kissy, you filed this case for Ganda to pay the back rentals with interest and for Ganda to vacate the premises.
That is correct, Judge.
Thank you, Kissy. Attorney Angela, can you reset my next case? I have an appointment at 4 p.m. and it is now 3 p.m. Ganda, you may now tell us your story.
Judge, my parlor is not a fly-by-night beauty salon. I have many branches and franchisees. I am not a mere beautician, but a successful entrepreneur.
Calm down, Ganda. I understand that you want us to know that you are a good businesswoman and a manager of your parlor.
Yes, Judge.
So tell us what happened.
Kisig mentioned that I failed to pay the rentals only after a year and 3 months. Well, my non-payment was really intentional because he failed to repair the leak on the ceiling of the parlor, which emits foul odor and causes light skin burns to those who come in contact with it.
And why should I? Did I not turn over the place to you in good condition? That leak was caused by you and your negligence in using my place.
Yes, Ganda. You are the one in possession of the property. How did the leak occur?
Judge, I really don't know. But when we observed the leak, I directed my staff to report to the building manager, who did nothing, as in nothing.
That is absolutely not true. You are lying. My manager clearly visited your place and the report stated that the leak was your fault. You also committed another violation in our contract when you place your things in our storage room.
And where else would I keep my precious things? When I can no longer make use of almost one half of the parlor because of the leaking ceiling. And that is not all. I am gradually losing my customers. I have difficulty in paying my 25 employees. My expensive parlor instruments and fixtures are being ruined because of the corrosive leaks from the ceiling. And to top it all, you're pestering me with this case.
Ganda, are you all right? I'm sorry to hear that you have so many problems. Do you want some water or do you want to take a break?
It's okay, Judge. Well, we can continue.
Ganda, I understand how hard this is for you, but I can totally see why you are upset. Am I correct in understanding that you are stressed and worried that you will not be able to give the salary of your 25 employees? That there are only few customers visiting the parlor? And that your furnitures and equipment are deteriorating due to the leaking ceiling, which was not repaired by Kisig?
Yes, Judge.
Do you have anything more to say, Ganda?
Just that Kisig should repair the leaking ceiling so I can resume my complete operation and be able to pay him the rentals on time. And also, he should pay me the damages that I suffered.
Okay, you said damages. Can you explain and give the details about these damages?
Yes, Judge, I attached the list and computation in my answer, and I have here a copy. I can hand it over to you, Judge.
Any other matter, Ganda?
That is all, Judge.
Let me summarize your version, Ganda. Please correct me if necessary. You have a 3-year lease contract for 25,000 monthly rental for a 250 square meter portion of the first floor of the building owned by Kisig. You were only able to pay up to 1 year and 3 months of the rental because your business operation was adversely affected by the leak on the ceiling, which Kisig refused to repair. You want Kisig to repair the ceiling so you can continue operation and pay him the rentals. And you are also asking for payment of damages based on the list attached to your answer.
That is exactly what I want, Judge.